Electric heating pads are an essential accessory for those seeking relief from muscular aches, cramps, or arthritis-related pain. Today's best electric heating pads combine safety with convenience, offering adjustable heat settings, washable covers, and auto shut-off for enhanced peace of mind. Built to cater to different needs, these devices come in various sizes and flexibility options, efficiently targeting specific body parts. Whether you need something for general relaxation or targeted pain relief, choosing the right electric heating pad can significantly improve your quality of life. Let's explore some of the best electric heating pads available on the market. At number 5 is the Yeamon Portable Cordless Heating Pad. The Yeamon Portable Cordless Heating Pad is a versatile and user-focused innovation tailored especially for women's needs, providing both warmth and relaxation whatever your day holds. Seamlessly integrating therapy and comfort, the product offers a valuable combination of heat and massage functionalities, adjustable over 3 levels each to suit varying comfort preferences and pain relief requirements. When it comes to usability, this heating pad impressively accommodates modern lifestyles with its cordless design powered through USB charging. There's an added layer of safety, demonstrated by its automatic shutdown feature. This thoughtful addition is particularly practical as the device powers off after 30 minutes of inactivity, recognizing when the user might have drifted to sleep, a crucial safety measure against overheating. A standout feature of the Yeamon heating pad is its ergonomic design. The back surface boasts a soft, comfortable base that not only enhances comfort but also ensures even heat dissipation. The adjustable waistband, extending up to 50 inches, indicates a welcoming nod towards inclusivity, fitted to accommodate different body sizes. While the portability and self-powered operation elevate this product above older heat provision systems that rely on continuous external power supply, there is still a need for periodic recharging. Despite this, its wide array of applications, from relaxing at home to using it while driving or working, ensure that it finds a place in everyday routines. The synthesis of dynamic heating and massage options, coupled with its intuitive design suitable for dynamic usage scenarios, makes the Yeamon Portable Cordless Heating Pad a compelling choice for those looking for a portable and relaxing experience. While slightly pricier than its previous generations, the advancements and mobility promise a valuable trade-off for continued and safe heat therapy. At number 4 is the COMFIER Heating Pad for Back Pain. The COMFIER heating pad for back pain offers a compelling blend of heat therapy and vibrational massage, specifically designed to target lower back pain, but versatile enough to address additional areas such as the abdomen, legs, and shoulders. This product, which functions as both a therapeutic and comfort-oriented device, warrants a detailed examination given its features and potential benefits concerning musculoskeletal health. Key to the product's appeal is its dual capability in heating and vibration functionalities. It comes equipped with heating pads capable of quickly reaching 2 defined warmth settings, low level at 113 degrees Fahrenheit and high level at 131 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows flexible usage depending on the level of heat therapy needed for pain like muscle tensions or menstrual cramps and even arthritic discomfort, helping to boost blood circulation efficiently. Unequivocally, its vibration massage feature sets it apart, comprising 4 powerful massage motors designed to handle not just the lower back, but extending comfort to the neck, shoulder, lumbar, thighs, and legs. The vibrations are stated to be mild, positioning this product as preferable for users seeking gentle relief, without the intensity found in high-frequency percussive or deep kneading massages, perhaps making it suitable even for those with sensitive pain thresholds. With options for customizing both heat and massage settings, the device allows users to find their personal sweet spot for comfort with 3 massage modes and adjustable vibration intensity. One prominent feature is the overheat protection and auto shutdown to ensure maximum safety during use. The design illustrates practicality. It includes an adjustable strap that stretches up to 58 inches, ensuring it accommodates a wide range of body sizes. The outer velvet cover contributes to the lasting comfort of the device, highlighting its dual role as both a therapeutic and cozy lifestyle product. At number 3 on our list is the Enrichment PureRelief XL Heating Pad. The Enrichment PureRelief XL Heating Pad offers a versatile solution for those seeking relief from various types of physical discomfort. With a substantial size of 12 by 24 inches, this heating pad is designed to cater to full body use, effectively targeting areas burdened by menstrual cramps, sore muscles, or general muscle tension, including the back, shoulders, abdomen, and legs. One of the standout features of this model is its InstaHeat technology, which accelerates the heating process significantly. This technology allows the pad to heat up within seconds, offering users immediate respite from pain. The pad provides 6 adjustable heat settings, ranging from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing users to tailor the temperature to their specific comfort needs through an intuitive ergonomic LCD controller. Another adaptable feature is the option to use either dry or moist heat therapy. The mutation into moist therapy can be easily achieved with a simple spray bottle, enhancing the penetration of heat for deeper muscle relaxation. Safety features are robust, including a practical 2-hour auto shutoff to conserve energy and mitigate the risk of overheating. The pad itself is enveloped in a soft, machine-washable microplush fabric that is gentle on the skin, ensuring that daily sessions of heat therapy are both effective and comfortable. Additionally, it has a 9-foot-long power cord that provides substantial flexibility in usage settings, whether you are on the couch, bed, or chair. Its comprehensive coverage is also backed by a significant 5-year warranty. With dedicated customer support, Enrichment's PureRelief XL not only offers immediate relief but guarantees long-term satisfaction and support. This thermal pad is a reliable, versatile choice for those medically seeking to alleviate discomfort while enjoying the comfort of personalized heat settings. At number 2 is the Sunbeam XL Back, Neck, and Shoulder Heat Therapy. The Sunbeam XL Back, Neck, and Shoulder Heat Therapy pad merges rapid heating technology with luxurious comfort, making it an excellent choice for those seeking swift and extensive relief from muscle pain. Notable for its express heat technology, the pad warms up in just 30 seconds, providing immediate comfort and making it highly suitable for urgent relief scenarios. Sized at a generous 12 by 24 inches, the king-size/XL pad ensures broad coverage, which is essential for effectively targeting widespread pain points across back, neck, and shoulders. This large size, combined with 6 easy-to-adjust heat settings, allows users to customize their heat therapy according to specific needs and pain levels. Heat adjustments can be conveniently made using the user-friendly digital LED controller with a well-lit backlit screen, an essential feature for those needing to make adjustments in dim lighting conditions. Regarding material quality and comfort, the pad is enveloped in a plush microplush fabric that provides supple softness, enhancing the therapeutic experience. This fabric doesn't just add to comfort, but is practical as it is fully machine washable and dryer safe, ensuring users can maintain cleanliness without hassle. The pad is designed with practical energy considerations, featuring a select-hour auto shutoff function that not only conserves energy but also prevents accidents due to excessive heating. Its extended 9-foot power cord and the 2-hour auto shutoff function provide essential convenience and safety, giving users peace of mind during extended sessions of use. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty and operated with only 180 W power, Sunbeam's pain relief pad stands out as an efficient, reliable, and comfortable heating device perfect for everyday therapeutic needs. At number 1 is the GENIANI King-Size Heating Pad for Back Pain. The GENIANI King-Size Heating Pad proves itself as an indispensable tool in the armory for anyone battling with back pain, muscle cramps, or general discomfort. This pad has been finely tuned to deliver both rapid relief and user-oriented features, boosting its appeal for a wide target audience, inclusive of individuals dealing with frequent pain issues like menstrual cramps. Standout in size, the king-size configuration of 12 by 24 inches allows this heating pad to envelop larger body areas comfortably, facilitating targeted heat application to places in need, such as the neck, back, shoulder, knees, and other large muscle groups. The pad's flexibility further adds a layer of practicality, as it molds effortlessly to various body contours, ensuring that heat dissemination is both even and effective. GENIANI focuses prominently on user control and safety with customizable settings incorporated within the pad. It offers 3 easily adjustable heat levels: low, medium, and high, adapting to various therapeutic needs, whether it's for deep-seated aches or mild stiffness. An auto shut-off feature activates after 2 hours of continued usage to prevent overheating, a critical design aspect when considering overnight or continued use. Dual functionality expands the device's usability. Dry for direct warmth and moist for increased heat penetration, achieved simply by damping the unit. The moist heat option is particularly beneficial for deeper tissue ailments or more acute pain, making it exceedingly relevant for period cramps. Maintenance of this heating pad is hassle-free. It's designed with a plush material that is not only comfortable against the skin, but is also machine washable for easy care and hygiene maintenance. Its USA-based design ethos assures a product built around convenience and sustained performance. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.